Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable headphone notifications on your iPhone. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just click here on settings. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on sounds and aptX here. Then you click here on headphone safety here. You come to headphone notifications in app, just click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's when headphone notifications enable with us now. Then here can you so find here last 6 months here. So you use it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.